Welcome to Jagmohan Singh Bhatti Advocate YouTube channel. It is a matter of concern. BBC files, BBC documentary and judgment of Supreme Court as delivered in Zakia Hassan Zafri versus State of Gujarat, delivered by a three judges bench. A.M. Khanivalkar, Dinesh Maheshwari, C.T. Ravi Kumar. 24th June 2022. It is a matter of concern which I am taking to your kind attention that the few crux of the matter, it relates to Godhra of Gujarat. It was urged that SIT was expected to follow the procedure prescribed by law while dealing with the materials, statements collected during investigation and more particularly relied upon by the appellant. This same tragedy happened when the 1984 genocide of Sikhs happened to be in India, and the result is nothing more than 30 commission reports, 1 3, 13 commission reports of various independent bodies which collected the evidence never formed the part of SIT, and meaning thereby the principles which have been candidly stated in this judgment of Zakia Hassan Zafri versus State of Gujarat in SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court, it consideredly emerges on three facts. One, the documentary evidence has never ever been discussed or considered by the investigating officer of the SIT, and so far as the other documents and oral documents and affidavits of the witnesses are concerned, they have either been terrorized or no action has been taken against the investigating officer or the officers of the SIT conducting the investigation, meaning thereby denial of fair investigation and police manual as a known canons of practice while being diligent, truthful and fair in his her approach and investigation. It is investigating officer who is obliged to act as per police manual, and he has not done so. And many cases the Gujarat High Court has delivered certain judgments but which are totally off the line, which the Honorable High Court of Allahabad stated and said right from 1960 onwards, number of times that police is an organized gang of decades. And so far as today there is a news in the social media that police has blackmailed its own police officials. If this is the state of affair, where is the complete responsibility and answerable for the manner and methodology adopted in completing the investigation? Then the Honorable Supreme Court in way back 1961 gave honor to the investigating agency of the police that investigation is fair. And where is the fairness? Consideredly, upon completion of the investigation, the investigating officer is obliged to submit report setting out prescribed details to the magistrate empowered to take cognizance of the offence referred to therein without unnecessary delay. If this being so, the magistrate never applies mind and a date after date comes. And what is the fate? Everybody knows. Trial stands vitiated. If this being so, the provisions of Code of Criminal Procedure as enunciated and enshrined under section 173 to subsection 1, subsection D of the code. In other words, the investigating officer intends to send the accused for trial he is obliged to form a firm opinion not only about the commission of offence but also about the involvement of such person in the commission of crime. And the Honorable Allahabad High Court, time and again, repeatedly, in a week, twice, thrice, or even in a day, twice, thrice, delivers a judgment. If somebody wishes to understand criminal law, it is the best police of UP who can deliver, who can concoct, and who can well knit the criminology, who is to be let off and who is to be trapped. Innocents are trapped and accused are left. If this being so, the state of affairs, the Honorable Supreme Court bench of 3 judges working, I reasonably believe, in the summer, because the date is summer vacation, 24th June 2022. It shows that what a wonderful judicious application of mind has been applied, and what are the canons and even the judgments of the Honorable High Court of Allahabad and many other high courts, wherein it has been stated and said that police is not fair with its people. If there is no fairness in its people, then the Honorable Supreme Court is duty bound to take cognizance of the matter and the fact that no injustice is prevailing amongst the citizens of India and constitutional dignity is protected. If the constitutional dignity is protected, the law enforcing agency, that is the police, who is to police, and Justice Krishna Iyer rightly said, who is police is to police. And if this being so, even today the dates are not going so fast. The system is at the doldrums, and in the other words, judgment yes, justice denied, and even many trials, the witnesses passes away and the trial ends in fiasco without any results. And this is how, due to the lack of evidence, witnesses, the accused are acquitted. If this is the irony and fate of the country, who will believe us? Where is the $5 trillion economy? It is based on law and order situation. And if law and order situation is not prevailing in the country, and it is in the crisis, I must say crisis, then who will believe us in the world? And why many billionaires and millionaires of the country are leaving this country very sharply? And about, there was a news, 12 lakh people of this Indian country, Indian citizens, have renounced their citizen. It is a laurel for the government of India and the Honorable Supreme Court and the other Honorable High Courts is a question which deserves to be looked into and taken into consideration by the Ministry of Law. If the Ministry of Law is mute spectator and is having tussle with the appointment of judges and other further important matters are being overlooked, then the irony of the fate of the country, where it lies, it is a question before you. You please answer and give me feedback on this. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video as long as you can. Share with the legal luminary circles and the honorable judges of retired life are requested to come forward to protect the constitution and the pious soul of judiciary. This is my humble request, without any fear, without any ना कहूँ से दोस्ती ना कहूँ से बैर. I am only in favor of India the cat.